Let's start today's topic, compound microscope. It also very interesting topic if you go through concept. I sure you all get it easily. Before go to topic, if you are a newcomer, watch the previous video for better understand. Here we already discussed about microscope and its use, also simple microscope and its magnification. Next we discuss about compound microscope.
So let's start compound microscope. Compound microscope is a device by which we can see the magnified image of tiny objects. Let's see the picture. This is the image of compound microscope. With the help of this device, we got 1,000 times of magnification. 1,000 times of magnification. Okay, means we got larger magnification compared to simple microscope. Okay, in case of simple microscope, we only got 10 times of magnification, whereas in case of compound microscope, we got 1,000 times of magnification. Now go to that construction, how that compound microscope is built. The compound microscope consisting of two lenses. One is objective lens, another one is eyepiece lens. The lens which is nearer to the object, that lens is called as objective lens, and the lens which is nearer to the person's eye, that lens is called as eyepiece lens. Here, both objective lens and eyepiece lens having focal length small. Both have small focal length, that compared to objective lens, eyepiece lens have large focal length. Both have small focal length, but comparing in between these two, the focal length of eyepiece lens is greater compared to the focal length of objective lens. The focal length of objective lens take as FO, the distance between optical center to focus. This distance, okay, denoted as FO. Of eyepiece lens denoted as Fe. The focal length of eyepiece lens Fe is greater than Fo. And the two lenses are arranged in coaxial. That means the two optical center of both objective lens and eyepiece lens placed in a certain line, coaxially placed. Go to working procedure. Let's take an object AB beyond the focus of an objective lens. Consider that AB is a tiny object placed above the principal axis. The separation between objective lens and eyepiece lens, okay, adjusted in such a way that the image of this tiny object, is produced within the focus of eyepiece lens. ये दोनों इस तरह एडजस्टेड होंगे कि यहाँ पे जो AB का इमेज आएगा वो इमेज आईपीस लेंस की फोकस के अंदर आएगा. ओके, देखो बच्चों, जब आप लोग ये डायग्राम बनाओगे तो कुछ पॉइंट को आप याद रख लो जिसकी वजह से आपका कोई एरर नहीं आएगा डायग्राम में. एक ही बार में डायग्राम कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. ओके, यू टेक दैट one ray is parallel to principal axis, goes through focus, and another ray goes through center of curvature. The two rays meet at a point. At that point, image is produced, and that image is produced within the focus of eyepiece lens. ये याद कर लो कि image कहाँ produce होगा? That focus of eyepiece, within the focus of eyepiece lens. Okay, so first you draw the image so that there is no error is produced. Okay, now. So here image is produced. This one is the image. The is A prime, B prime. This one is image. Okay. And you draw the lines so that there is no error values. Like you join this point to this point. Okay. So this one is the focus, FO, and another ray which is goes through center of curvature. There is no deviation occur. One ray, this one, and this one another ray. The two ray meet at this point and image is produced. Due to the objective lens, the image is real, inverted, and magnified image is produced. Okay? Due to the objective lens, we got that image that is real, inverted, and magnified. Now go to that. In case of eyepiece lens, what is the characteristic of image? The image A prime, B prime. This one is the image produced by the objective lens. This image A prime, B prime act like object for eyepiece lens. ये जो इमेज प्रोड्यूस हुआ A प्राइम B प्राइम, ये किस तरह काम करेगा? ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह काम करेगा eyepiece lens के लिए. ओके, समझ आ रहा है? Now take one ray which is parallel to the principal axis, goes through focus, and another ray goes through center of curvature, and there is no deviation occur, and the two ray diverge appears to comes from one point, and at that point image is produced. That means you see the diagram. One ray parallel to principal axis and another ray goes through center of curvature. This one is the two ray. This two ray diverges but appears to comes from one point, and here final image is produced. Final image is produced. That is A double prime and this point is B double prime. Okay students, you clear about this? So due to that eyepiece lens, we got the final image A double prime, B double prime, and this one is virtual compared to A prime B prime. देखो A prime B prime eyepiece lens के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट है और इसका इमेज हम यहाँ पाए A double prime B double prime. Okay ना? So for eyepiece lens, A prime B prime is object, A double prime B double prime is image. So what is the characteristic of image? The characteristic of image that is highly magnified but virtual and erect. ये देखो A prime B prime जिस तरह A downward है उसी तरह A double prime B double prime downward है. So virtual, erect and highly magnified image we got compared to A prime B prime. But देख लो AB को कंपेयर करें A prime B prime से. ओके, देखो AB को कंपेयर करें A prime B prime से फाइनल इमेज से, तो हम क्या पा रहे हैं? रियल, inverted and highly magnified image of tiny object. यहाँ पे हमारा रह गया I. Okay, we see the highly magnified image of this tiny object by the microscope, by the help of compound microscope. Now we go to how magnification occur. So magnification is nothing but the angular magnification. What do you mean by angular magnification? The ratio of angle subtended by the image, this one, angle subtended by the image to vision, that means 25 centimeter दूरी पर है. Due to that tiny object is very small, we cannot see the clear vision of this tiny object. But by the help of compound microscope, we got highly magnified image of this tiny object at the least distance of distant vision. That means this distance is from this point to this point. This distance is taken as D, least distance of distant vision, that is 25 centimeter. Okay, students. M equals to A double prime B double prime divided by AB, multiplying A prime B prime and divide A prime B prime. B double prime divided by A prime B prime into A prime B prime by AB. That means A double prime B double prime by A prime B prime. That means magnification of eyepiece lens. That means in case of eyepiece lens, this one is the image and this one is the object. So height of image divided by height of object. That means here we got magnification. But which lens? Magnification of eyepiece lens, ME, into A prime B prime by AB. A prime B prime, that is image, and AB, that is object, for objective lens. So A prime B prime by AB, that is the magnification of objective lens. So what we got? Magnification of compound microscope is the multiplication of magnification of eyepiece lens to the magnification of objective lens. Now we derive individually the magnification of objective lens and magnification of eyepiece lens. Okay. Now what is magnification of objective lens? That magnification of objective lens, that is A prime B prime by AB. What is A prime B prime? This one. What is AB? This one. That means we know that magnification M equals to HI by HO. That means height of the image to the height of the object. It is equals to V by U. Yes. So for objective lens, what happened? This one is the image distance and this one is the object distance. So in case of V by U, here you put VO by UO. समझ आ रहा है students? Then what is the magnification of eyepiece lens, ME? In the previous video, we already discussed on it how we calculate magnification of lens when the image is produced at least distance of distant vision. Okay. Go through the previous video where the link is already given in the description box. So you clear that how we calculate magnification when that image is produced at least distance of distant vision. Okay, that formula, that magnification M equals to 1 plus D by F, where image is produced at least distance of distance vision from eye or from us. So here for eyepiece lens, A prime B prime is the object and A double prime B double prime is the image produced at least distance of distant vision. So that magnification of eyepiece lens, ME, is equals to 1 plus D by FE, where FE is the focal length of eyepiece lens. This one is equation 2. Okay. So what is the magnification of compound microscope? The magnification of compound microscope, that is the magnification of objective lens and magnification of eyepiece lens. So put the value of magnification of objective lens and magnification of eyepiece lens, so that M equals to, that is VO divided by UO into 1 plus D by FE. Okay student, this one is the total magnification of compound microscope. one general formula where image is produced at least distance of distant vision from us. Okay. Distance between objective lens to eyepiece lens. This distance. Okay, this distance is called as length of the microscope denoted by L. Length of the microscope denoted by L. So, length of the microscope denoted by L, that is equals to VO plus UE. VO plus UE, that is length of microscope. Okay, or called as length of the microscope tube. VO is the image distance of objective lens. VO is the image distance of objective lens, and UE is the objective distance. Object distance in case of eyepiece lens. This one, UE, object distance for eyepiece lens. VO, image distance for objective lens.
According to sign convention, in case of objective lens, that object distance is negative sign, whereas that image distance positive sign. So VO, that is positive, and UO, that is negative. Put the sign convention, we got the magnification of objective lens VO by minus UO. So what is the total magnification? The total magnification M is the product of magnification of objective lens and magnification of eyepiece lens. Then you put the value, that is VO by minus UO into 1 plus D by FE, and you got the formula. Okay.
Here we discuss about the two cases of compound microscope. First one, student, that M equals to VO by minus UO 1 plus D by FE. This one is the general formula, and here that image is produced at least distance of distant vision. That negative sign indicate the sign convention. Okay, that final image is real and inverted image is produced. That negative sign indicates the sign convention. And at this case, the length of the microscope tube, okay, this length is VO plus UE. देखो, VO plus UE. Now go to case 1 and case 2. In case 1, that object AB lie on the focus of objective lens. Objective lens के फोकस पर ऑब्जेक्ट रखेंगे. कुछ इस तरह सेटअप करेंगे that object is placed on focus of objective lens. And ये जो image produce हो रहा है, this image is very near to the eyepiece lens. eyepiece lens के बहुत पास create होगा ये image A prime B prime. That means this distance from optical center to A prime B prime. This one is the objective distance for eyepiece lens. This is negligible. That UE, that is negligible. As object is placed on the focus of objective lens, that means UO equals to FO. Image A prime B prime is very nearer to eyepiece lens. That means UE negligible. That means L equals to, we know that L equals to VO plus UE. As UE is negligible, then L equals to VO. That means the length of the tube, microscope tube, that is equals to VO. Okay, UO equals to FO and VO equals to L. In case of VO you put L, and in case of UO you put FO. And same, this one is the magnification of objective lens, that is L by minus FO, and 1 plus D by FE, that is the magnification of eyepiece lens. So the total magnification M equals to L by minus FO into 1 plus D by FE. Here what happened? That object is objective lens. Now go to second case, that images A prime B prime, this one, okay. The image lie on the focus of eyepiece lens, okay. That means ये जो distance from optical center to A prime B prime, this distance is the objective distance for eyepiece lens, and that UE, that is equals to FE, because that A prime B prime is placed on the focus of the eyepiece lens. That means object distance is equals to focal length, UE is equals to FE, okay. At this condition, we know that if object is placed at focus, image is produced at infinity. ये जो A prime B prime इमेज है, ये इमेज आईपीएस के लिए किस तरह काम करता है? आईपीएस के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह काम करता है। तो ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ पर है? फोकस पर है। तो फाइनल इमेज कहाँ पर प्रोड्यूस होगा? इन्फिनिटी पर। ओके, now we go to that what is the magnification in this condition. That magnification equals to MO into ME. That means magnification of objective lens into magnification of eyepiece lens. अच्छा, here we already discussed that magnification of objective lens, that is L by minus FO, and magnification of eyepiece lens, that is D by FE. In our previous video, we already discussed that if image is produced at infinity, that magnification equals to M equals to D by F. Here, that magnification due to eyepiece lens. So, ME equals to D by FE. And MO, that is L by minus FO, we already here calculate this one. So that total magnification M equals to magnification of objective lens into magnification of eyepiece lens. So here in this condition, what is the length of the microscopic tube? That is here from optical center to A prime B prime. This one is the image distance for objective lens VO, and this one is the object distance for eyepiece lens. This one is the object distance for eyepiece lens UE, or that UE equals to FE. So length of the microscopic tube L equals to VO plus FE. Student, ये जो दो डायग्राम है ये तुम लोगों को एग्जाम में नहीं बनाना है, बस जो पहले का डायग्राम है वही बनाना है। ये दो डायग्राम मैं बस तुम लोगों को समझाने के लिए ड्रॉ किया। तुम लोग को बनाना नहीं है, बस समझना है क्या हो रहा है, मैकेनिज्म क्या हो रहा है। ओके, नेक्स्ट वी डिस्कस वेव ऑप्टिक्स। ओके,